Well, LAPC has a distinct flavor on its own, and it fills a niche in that a lot of the emphasis is on early career researchers. The substantial difference is that it's a lot more intimate. People tend to network a lot more than they would do at large sprawling conferences with multiple tracks. Everybody's in the same place at the same time.
One of the great things about LAPC, and that's different to other conferences, is that there is a huge amount of post-session interaction, so you get to have a lot of conversations with people you need to network with, and you get time to go into depth with authors on the points that matter to you.
It's very different in character because of the dominance of poster sessions, so it's quite different, very informal, but I think very useful for those in the field.
I came to LAPC because I found this is a very good place to show my results and talk to my colleagues at the same research area and learn a lot of new things. I will come back next year and hopefully every year.